Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add tags in CapCut. So first thing to do, you can try to tap tags and then add tags. Here we go. You can enter your tags. This is how you can add anything that comes into your mind. For example, speech. And also you can try to coloring the font by tap on style, and also there is an effect here, and there is a free one and the pro one you can try. Also there is an animations. So this is how you can add tags on CapCut. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.